Hey, welcome guys. So today we're going to see that how can you use application in your Android device so that you can manage all your videos. It's like a creator studio. How can you get creator studio in your Android device? So it's very easy. You just need to go to Play Store, which is here, and from here what you can write the application name, which I will tell you. So it's creator studio. If you click on this, you can see YouTube studio. So you need to install YouTube studio so that you can manage all your videos, you can edit all your videos, you can see your channel as a creator studio in your Android device. So install this. So if you install this, let's see, so let's wait for some time. So it's installed, and it's not a YouTube where you can watch videos, it's a YouTube studio. So now if you open it, so you can see this some notification. I'm just going to YouTube. So now as you can see, you can get all the dashboard, like it's all the thing you can get from here, like how many subscriber you have, how many watch time you have, views, subscriber change, revenue. If you click on view more, you can see the real-time views, like in 48 hours how many views has been done and which videos has how many views, watch time. So in this way you can get all the information of your YouTube channel in your hand, like it's in it not in or not on your laptop, but it's in your hand. You're using your Android device. So it's very easy and it's very convenient way to check this. You can click on revenue, you click on discovery, audience, how many, like male female ratio, ages, countries from where it's watching. So you can all the information is very useful to use this application, so that you don't need to go to your on your laptop. And also you can upload videos, you can edit videos from here. So that's a very easy way. And now if you click on this YouTube, which is here, if you click on YouTube, you can go to the YouTube application. So there are two different applications to manage this. If you go to YouTube, and now if you click on this, go to my channel, you can't get all that information, but you can get some information which are not so good, but you can it's not so helpful for you. So it's better to download the creator studio, like YouTube creator studio, and you can see all the information for your channel. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wiseman. Thank you.